The game starts with 4 seeds in each house. The object of the game is to capture more seeds than one's opponent. Since the game has only 48 seeds, capturing 25 is sufficient to win the game. Since there is an even number of seeds, it is possible for the game to end in a draw, where each player has captured 24. Players take turns moving the seeds. On a turn, a player chooses one of the 6 houses under their control. The player removes all seeds from that house, and distributes them. Dropping one in each house counter-clockwise from this house, in a process called sowing. In this version of play, capturing occurs only when a player brings the count of an opponent's house to exactly 2 or 3 with the final seed he sowed in that turn. This always captures the seeds in the corresponding house, and possibly more. If the previous to last seed also brought an opponent's house to 2 or 3, these are captured as well. And so on until a house is reached which does not contain 2 or 3 seeds or does not belong to the opponent. The captured seeds are placed in the player's scoring house, or set aside if the board has no scoring houses. If a move would capture all of an opponent's seeds, the capture is forfeited since this would prevent the opponent from continuing the game, and the seeds are instead left on the board. If an opponent's houses are all empty, the current player must make a move that gives the opponent seeds. If no such move is possible, the current player captures all seeds in his/her own territory, ending the game. The game is over when one player has captured 25 or more seeds, or each player has taken 24 seeds. Draw. If both players agree that the game has been reduced to an endless cycle. The game ends when each player has seeds in his hold, and then each player captures the seeds on their side of the board.